Did you know your home could be full of hidden toxins? Stick around, and we'll show you how to cut these harmful chemicals out of your life for good. You'll discover which common household chemicals are harming your health and exactly how to replace them. We'll explore the bedroom products affecting your sleep, bathroom items absorbing into your skin, and kitchen tools leaching toxins into your food. By the end, you'll have a clear, step-by-step plan to create a healthier home without spending a fortune. These small changes can help reduce your risk of fatigue, brain fog, and other health concerns. Your health shouldn't feel like a guessing game of what's safe and what's harmful. With so many products full of hidden toxins, it's no wonder people feel stuck. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a fortune or overhaul your life overnight. Today, we'll break down simple, affordable ways to detox your home and take control of your well-being. Please download our free home checklist from the link in the description, where we've organized all these areas and products to swap in a printable format you can use room by room. Think about all the products you use from the moment you wake up. Your sheets, toothpaste, shampoo, cookware, cleaning supplies. These items often contain chemicals that can harm your health over time. Let's look at the most common toxic chemicals found in everyday products. First, phthalates. These are found in flooring, adhesives, and many personal care products like perfumes and lotions. They help control thickness and prevent products from separating. The problem? They disrupt your endocrine system and have been linked to reproductive issues and developmental problems in children. Next are parabens. These preservatives have been used in cosmetics and body care since the 1920s. Look for names like butylparaben or methylparaben on labels. These are also endocrine disruptors that can affect everything from puberty to weight and sexual function. Then there's PFAS, or forever chemicals. These make products resistant to stains and water. They're in nonstick pans, carpets, fast food packaging, and many personal care products. These chemicals don't break down in the environment or your body and are associated with developmental issues and disease risks. BPA and its substitute BPS are found in plastic products and food packaging. Even products labeled BPA-free often contain BPS, which poses similar health risks. Finally, VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, easily turn into gases at room temperature because of their low boiling point. They're in paints, nail polish removers, adhesives, and air fresheners. VOCs have been linked to chronic fatigue syndrome, accelerated aging, and various cancers. While small exposures to these compounds might seem harmless, their combined effect over time can disrupt your endocrine system, the network of glands regulating hormones that control metabolism, growth, and reproduction. When phthalates and parabens act as endocrine disruptors, they interfere with your hormonal balance, potentially affecting everything from puberty timing to weight regulation and fertility. Now let's review some practical steps to reduce these toxins and go room by room with simple swaps you can make today. Starting with your bedroom. Choose organic bedding made from natural fibers like cotton, bamboo, or linen instead of chemically treated fabrics. Use fragrance-free laundry detergent or simply add 1 to 2 cups of vinegar to your wash. This helps avoid phthalates and other harmful chemicals in conventional laundry products. Open your windows regularly to allow fresh air to circulate and reduce indoor air pollutants. Next, have a look through your bathroom. Switch to natural toilet paper, made from recycled materials or bamboo. For women, choose organic feminine care products instead of conventional options that may contain pesticides and bleaches. Use natural toothpaste free from fluoride and artificial sweeteners. And choose natural dental floss made from silk or bamboo fiber. Replace conventional deodorants containing aluminum and parabens with natural alternatives made with ingredients like baking soda, coconut oil, and essential oils. Choose cosmetics and skincare products without parabens, phthalates, and artificial fragrances. Swap petroleum-based soaps for Castile soap, which is made from plant oils and can be used as body wash, shampoo, hand soap, and even household cleaner. Use mineral-based sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide instead of chemical ones containing oxybenzone and octinoxate. Here are some swaps to consider within your kitchen. Replace non-stick cookware with safer alternatives like cast iron, stainless steel, or ceramic-coated pans. Swap out plastic kitchen tools. Use stainless steel or wooden utensils instead of plastic ones. Choose wooden or bamboo cutting boards. Maple and beech are especially durable. Use wooden rolling pins rather than plastic. Replace plastic colanders with stainless steel versions. Use glass or stainless steel mixing bowls. Store food in glass, Pyrex, or silicone containers, especially when reheating, to prevent chemicals and microplastics from leaching into your food. Replace plastic drip or single-serve coffee machines with a French press made of all metal and glass. Buy organic produce when possible and clean fruits and vegetables with a simple solution of 1 part apple cider vinegar mixed with 4 parts water. Lastly, think about the cleaning supplies you use. Make your own cleaning solutions with simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice, which are effective for many cleaning tasks without the chemicals found in many conventional products. This list will seem overwhelming, so please remember, you don't need to overhaul your entire home at once. Start with the products you use most frequently, or those that come into direct contact with your body. Even small changes can significantly reduce your daily toxin exposure. As your current products run out, replace them with healthier alternatives. This will make the process both financially manageable and less overwhelming. For the quickest win, focus first on your bedroom since you spend about a third of your life sleeping, then move to bathroom products that directly contact your skin, and finally address kitchen items that might affect your food. We hope you found this video helpful. Please grab the free home checklist from the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more straight-talking health advice without the fads or gimmicks. If you have questions about detoxing your home, leave them in the comments. Your questions help us create videos that really matter to you. See you next time.